Hi, Turing machine is the most tricky part of TOC and theory of computation. Whenever the Turing machine questions are coming, then students are getting stuck. Like this type of question. It is a question you can see here. This is M1, M0, M2, M3. What will be the value of this field? Actually, this question asked in UGC NET 2023. So in this question most of the students are getting confused. That's why I am going to tell you about Turing machine completely from basic to advanced level. All the topic will be covered. So I am going to start from the basic level. First of all, we will design a Turing machine where a to the power n, b to the power n. First simple Turing machine we will learn. After that we will go for learning that Turing machine what was in the question. Okay, so let's start, because if your understanding is not clear then you will be not able to solve this type of question, right? So first of all, understand the topic, how it is going on, then you can solve this one. So let's start. And if you are new to this channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. So first of all, what is Turing machine? Turing machine is one type of machine like finite automata, UT, DFA, NFA, push down automata. Here Turing machine is the more highest level machine where it is able to identify the recursive enumerable language, and it is generated by the type 0 grammar. Actually Turing machine is the most powerful machine who can understand everything. Okay. So in Turing machine, just like the finite automata, there are the tuple. In finite automata also you learn some tuple. Here also there are some tuple. What are the tuple here? 7 tuples are there in Turing machine. That is Q, T, B, and here these are the input alphabet. Delta is the transition function, Q0 and F. Okay. So Q means finite set of state, that is as like the finite automata. You saw that finite number of states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 like this. T is the tape alphabet, because Turing machine is working with tape. In the tape we are going to write the string and after that it will be compared. Like that, if I am taking a to the power n, b to the power n means 2a, 2b, that will be written here. And after that here will be the blank symbol. Blank symbol means before starting it will be blank, after ending also it will be blank, which will identify that okay, the string is end. That's why the requirement of blank symbol is there. Now here you can see the input alphabet. So input alphabet means here actually the symbol which are the part of input alphabet at the tape means. Actually what is the difference? Difference is for the string I am taking AB, right? Now whenever we are comparing, then we need to take some extra alphabet to replace it. Means if I already read the A, I will replace the A with X or Y, X1, Y1 like that. So that's why we will think here कि for A, whenever I am going to read A, when it is done, then I am going to replace with X, and whenever B is done, then I am going to replace with Y. That's why total number of symbols are required here. A, B is already in the string. With that X and Y, that are the 2 extra alphabet we are taking for comparison purpose, because we are going to do here comparison, right? That's why we are going to take this 2 extra alphabet here. Now see, the delta is the transition function. This transition function is little bit different. You can see from one state, maybe I am in Q0 state. From the Q0 state, here the Turing machine can go to left hand side also, right hand side also. Before that you can see till the push down automata, it was going in one side only. But here the Turing machine can go both sides. That's why it is more powerful. That's why at the time of writing the transition function, what we are writing from Q0, we are checking that what is the tape alphabet now, that is T. Means maybe think like that, the tape alphabet is A. If A is there, what I am doing? I am going to replace A with X. That we will write here. I am going to replace A with X. After that, am I going to left side or right side? If I am going to right side, then I will do right. And after that, I am going to new input, that is Q1. In this way, we are going to write the transition function. That's why the transition function is like that, that is left or right where I am moving. This is called the transition function here. And Q0 will tell you this is the initial state, just like the finite automata, and F will be written, that is the final state. And whenever you are able to reach to the final state, means the string is accepted. If after ending of the string you are able to reach to the final state, means the string will be accepted here. This is the definition of Turing machine. Now let's understand how to draw the Turing machine and how to design the table, and from the table how to understand that okay, what is going on here. So let's start. So here we are going to do a simple Turing machine, that is a to the power n, b to the power n, where n is greater or equals to 1. So it is also we did for the push down automata, right? Because push down automata can do one time at a time one comparison. So here also I am taking that small one, so through that we can understand it. So here I am taking the tape alphabet. This is my tape here. So in the tape what will be happen? There are some blank symbol, means there is nothing. And now whenever the string is started, I am taking 3A. Then after that I am taking 3B. So 3A, 3B. After that here is again blank symbol. These are the blank symbol. Okay. Now what will be the comparison going on? Actually what I have to do here, whenever I will start with Q0, right? So Q0 is my initial state, that is my Q0. Now from Q0, where is my head? My head is here. Okay. So I am getting what? I am getting A. Whenever I am getting A, what I will do? My input alphabet is A. A I am going to replace with X, means I already read 1A. 1A reading is done, means A I am going to replace with X. Now I will move to which direction? I will move to right direction. Done. Now I am reaching to Q1 state. Okay. Now in Q1 state, what is my target? My target is with this A, corresponding to this A, I need to find one B, because A to the power n, B to the power n means what? Number of A equals to number of B. That is our target, right? So corresponding to 1A, I need to find out another B. So means I will move to right direction and I will ignore all the A, because my target is to get the B. Whenever I will reach to B, this B I am going to replace with Y. For that, what is this? In Q1, whenever I am getting A, how many times A is coming? I will leave it as it is A only, and I will go to the right hand side. That is going on here. This A, okay, leave it as it is. This A, leave it as it is. Whenever you are getting B, whenever you are getting here B, now what to do? B I am going to replace with Y, because it is another symbol. A I am replacing with X, B I am replacing with Y. So B I am going to replace with Y, and now I will start moving to the left direction. Why I will start moving to the left direction? To search the next A. That is my target. I want to search the next A. That's why I am start moving to the left direction. Now whenever you have started moving to the left direction, what will be on the way? You are in Q2 state. In Q2 state, what will be happen? You will get some A on the way, right? So on the way, whenever you are getting this A, like you will get this A, you will get this A, you will get this A, right? So A will be leave it as it is and go to left. Why? Because I will try to find what was my last checkpoint. My last checkpoint was this one. Means whenever I am reaching to the X, means I will be able to find out, okay, this is my last checkpoint. After that I will start moving to the right direction to get the next A. So that's why I am ignoring all the A. I am trying to find out the x. What was my last checkpoint? So I am going to left. Okay. Whenever I am getting this x, means from here what I am getting? I am getting here x. Whenever I am getting this x, I will start moving to the right direction and I will leave x as it is. I will go to the right direction. After that I can merge it with this one, because now the same thing will be happen. I will get this a again. I will get this a again. So whenever I am getting this a, what to do? This a I am going to replace with x. It's done. Now I am moving to right hand side. I am in this Q1. Now whenever a I am getting, I am going to ignore it, because I need to find out the next b. Now on the way one y will come. This y to do? What to do? For this y, I will leave y as it is and I will go to the right direction, because my target is to find out this a, right? This is my target. My target is to find out this b. Okay. So now whenever I am going to find out this b going to replace with another y. Now start moving again left direction, because I want to find out the next a. Now on the way what will be happen? You will get this y. You will get this y, right? This y will come on the way. That's why y, leave it as it is, go to left. Now whenever you are getting a, same thing, this a will come. A, leave it as it is, go to left. Your target is to find out this x. Whenever you are getting find out this x, then I will start moving to the right direction. That is this one, x right direction. Whenever I am getting this a will be replaced with another x. It is done. Now after that, here I am getting again y, because this one was replaced with y. One y, done. This one was replaced with y. It is done. After that I am getting this b, that is this b. It is going to replace with y. Done. Now I will start moving to the left direction again. Now from here I will go to left direction again. Now in the left direction I am getting so many y, right? This y, I am getting this y. I am getting the x now. Now what to do? So now I am getting x. I am going to Q0. In Q0, am I getting any y, a? No, because all the a, b are done. Now your tape is looking like this. Your tape is looking like this. X, 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 y, 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 and here is b. Here is also b. These are the some blank symbols are there. Your tape is looking like this one, right? Now when you are in Q0, you reach to this Q0. So after comparing, you reach to this Q0. After the y, you are here. Now whenever here, then you are not getting anything. You are not getting any a. What you are getting? You are getting in the right hand side. Whenever you are moving, you are getting some y. So whenever you are getting the y here, what to do? Leave it as it is y, and you are in Q3 state. Now so many y, you are moving to the right hand side, you are getting lots of y. So how many y you are getting? Leave it as it is, because this comparison is already done. That's why you are getting y. Now you are able to reach to the blank. Whenever you are able to reach to the blank, then actually blank, leave it is as it is, and ultimately this is your final state. Means you are able to reach to the final state. That is, your string is accepted now. You are able to reach to final state, means it is QF and string is accepted now, because you can see number of A and number of B and was equal, because I took 3A and 3B. Number of A and number of B are equal, and that's why our string is done and it is accepted now. So it is the simple Turing machine. We draw the simple Turing machine here and it's accepted, right? So you can check the rejection also. So I hope it is very clear to you. Now just do the revision, and I am drawing it little bit small way so that we can draw the table also. And I will tell you that one thing, if I am taking 2A 2B, is it matching or not. So go to the next page, okay, because this page is little bit clumsy now. So I am going to next page. So here my Turing machine is like this one, Q0. If I am getting A, I am leaving it as X, then I am going to right direction. If I am getting Q1, in the Q1 there are the loop, that is if I am getting A, leave it A as it is, right direction. And next pass I will get Y also, that's why it is YYR. After that here if I am getting B, then replace with Y and go to left direction. In the Q2 state you are going to get some A's, so A, leave it A as it is, go to left direction. You are going to get some Y also in the next pass, that's why Y, leave it as it is. And then whenever you are getting the X, leave it X and go to right direction. And then it is going on, when the string is end, then you will get some Y, then you are going to here and you are coming here into the Q3 state. Here how many Y's are coming, it will be like a loop. And whenever you are getting the blank state, leave it blank and go to right, and it is ultimately your final state. That is going on here, right? So how the comparison was going on for A, B, 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 A, B, 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 and here was blank, here was blank. So whenever I have started with this one, A was replaced with X, that is because of this one. After that it was going to left direction, leave it as it is. Whenever the B get, it is replaced with Y. Now it starts moving to left direction, it is getting so many A's, leave it as it is, again A, leave it as it is. I am able to reach to X, that is my last checkpoint. This is this X, leave it X. Then start moving to right. Whenever you are getting this A, then A will be replaced with X. After that again start moving to the left direction, it is going on to the right direction, A as it is. You are getting Y, Y also as it is. You are getting B, this B now. Whenever you are getting this B, then this B will be replaced with Y. Then start moving to this direction again. You are getting some Y here, leave it as it is, leave it as it is. You are getting A, leave it as it is. You are getting this X. Whenever you are getting the X, then you are moving to the right direction. In the right direction you are getting this A will be replaced with X. After that again you are moving to right direction, you are getting Y, that Y is as it is. After that whenever you are getting this B, then this B will be replaced with Y. And after that here again you are moving to this direction. In the way you are getting so many Y, Y will be as it is, you are getting X here. Whenever you are getting X, you are moving to right direction. In the right direction now you are getting Y. So in Q0 whenever you are getting Y, Y will be as it is, leave it as it is. More Y you are getting, leave it as it is. Now you are reaching to this blank state, means okay, your string comparison is done. You are able to reach to the blank, means it is your final state. So string is accepted. It's completely clear, I hope so. You can try with another string. See that here if I am trying with another string like 2A 3B, what will be happen? Just I am taking 2A 3B. What will be happen? First A will be replaced with X. It will start moving. It will replace with Y. Then it will start moving. It will get the X. Then A will be replaced with another X. Then it will start moving. It will try to replace this Y. Now it will start moving here. It will try to find out this X. Whenever the X is there, it will start moving to this Y. Now it is coming here YYR. Now it is coming here YYR. Now it is getting this B. What to do with this B? This B is still now remaining. It is not the blank. It is not the capital B. It is the small b. It is not the capital B. It is the small b. What to do? Because here I can do only when I am getting Y, then I can do the loop. But if I am getting small b, what to do? There is no step. So the machine is stuck here in this position. It is not able to reach to the final state. Means it will be not able to accept it, right? It is not able to accept. It is not accepted anything. It is not able to go to the final state, means the string will be rejected because number of A and number of B is not equal here. I hope it's clear. So how to draw the, means how to write the Turing machine table, how to do the table. Table is simple. If the table is given to you, then also you can do it like this way. So just let me erase it so that it will be little bit better way I can do the table. So here I am drawing the table in this position. So in table, just you need to think how many states are there. There are how many states that you can draw. Here is state Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and QF. These are the steps, right? And how many alphabets are there? A. So I need some more spaces. That's why I need to erase this one, because we will write the states here. So A, another is B, another is X, Y and capital B. These are the all possibilities. You need to think about all possibilities. Okay. So whenever Q0 is there, from Q0 what I am doing? If I am getting A, then where I am going? I am going to Q1. Means I will write here I am going to Q1. And A is replaced with X. A replaced with X. And in which direction I am going? I am going to right direction. That is here. Is there any chance of getting B? No. So this is not. It is blank. If I am getting X, is there anything that if I am getting X? No. There is a chance to get Y. If I am getting Y, what I am going? I am going to Q3 and it is Y is replaced with Y itself and I am going to right direction. Done. Now there is no chance of getting blank, so leave it blank. Q1. From Q1, what are the possibility? If I am getting A, then I am in Q1 itself. A will be A only. I am going to right direction. If I am getting B, what I am doing? I am going to Q2 state. So Q2 state, and what is going on here in the Q2 state? The B is replaced with Y and I am going to left. B is replaced with Y, I am going to left. Now is there any other possibility? Yes, the possibility is that I can get Y also. Can I get X? No, that's why it is no chance. So I can get Y. Y whenever I am getting, what I am doing? I am in Q1 step only. Leave it as it is Y. Go to right direction. Right? Now see, is there any chance of blank? No. These are actually error entry, means there is no chance of like this, anything will be not there. Now Q2. In Q2, if I am getting A, what I am doing? I am in Q2 itself. Leave it A and go to left direction. Is there any chance of getting B? No. What is the chance? Is there any chance of getting X? Yes. If I am getting X, what I am doing? I am going to Q0 state. So I am going to Q0 state, X going to R, that is going here, right? Y, if I am getting Y, what I am doing here? I am in Q2 itself and Y is as it is, go to left. There is no chance of getting blank. Q3 state, in the Q3 state what is going on? In the Q3 state there is no chance of getting A, no chance of getting B, no chance of getting X, only chance is there to get the Y. And the blank, Y and the blank, these are the two chances, Y and the blank. So if I am getting Y, what I am doing? I am in Q3 only. Y will be Y, go to right hand side. If I am getting blank, then where I am going to QF, blank will be blank, and go to right hand side. Yes. So in QF state, no need to write, because QF already it's your final state. No need to write it. It is already your final state, right? So in QF, nothing to write. This is your table. If in exam, actually in your question, the table was given, I am showing the table. From the table, you need to understand what is going on here. That was the question. Now you can solve the question. This was the question. Understand the question very carefully. And I am going to, you can try, and I am going to upload this video in the next video you will get this solution, because it will be a lengthy video otherwise. Try to understand. Here it was actually a to the power n, b to the power m, c to the power n, d to the power m. Means number of a equals to number of c and number of b equals to number of d. It is d, sorry. It is d. Number of b, a equals to number of c and number of b equals to number of d. That was the comparison. And here what was given? How many states was given? These are the states Q1 to QF, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, QF. These are the alphabet A, B, C, D. 4 alphabets are there. A, B, C, D already alphabets are there, and there are the extra alphabet what you are going to replace. That is given here. See that X1 and X2 are used for A and C. Means whenever you are getting A, you are going to replace with X1. Whenever you are getting C, you are going to replace with X2. Y1, Y2 are handled to BD. Means whenever you are getting B, you are replacing with Y1. Whenever you are getting D, you are replacing with Y2. That is the meaning of the question. Understand the meaning. Now you can try. And here the table was given. See that from the table how to understand. If I am in Q0 state, from Q0 state, if the input is A, I am going to Q1 state, and A is replaced with X1 and going to right direction. That is the meaning here. And it was asking for M2. Means M2 means what? If I am getting X1, what to do? Means you need to design the Turing machine for this one, that is A to the power n, B to the power m, C to the power n, and D to the power m. After that you need to feel it. If X1 is coming, what to do? Same way you can see for the Q1, what is given in the Q1, if you are getting A, then you are going to right direction and you are in Q1 only. Means it is a loop. If I am getting A, then A will be A only. I am going to right direction. From Q1, if I am getting B, then it is replacing with B1 only, and I am in Q and it is right. This is the meaning from this table. You can understand the meaning. You can try it. I will suggest you try it. Now you can try to design. What will be happen here? How to check AA, then 3B, then CC, then 3D. Whenever first A, then after that I am going to replace with X1. I will go to left direction because I will go to right direction. I need the first C. This C is getting, I will replace with X2. Now I will start moving in this direction. I will go for this X1. Now I will start moving this direction. Whenever another A is coming, I am going to replace with X1. Then I am moving here. And finally, whenever another C is coming, I am going to do X2. Again, I will move in this direction. Last one, this is last X1, done. Now whenever I am getting B, this will be replaced with Y1. It was given, right? Now leave it as it is. Go to this. I need to search that first D. D will be replaced with Y2. Then again move to this Y1. Then again B will be replaced with Y1. Again move. This one will be replaced with Y2. And move in this direction. Finally you are going to replace this Y1. Again move in this direction. You are going to replace with Y2. After replacing, you are getting blank, means it will be blank. This way you need to design the Turing machine, and after designing the Turing machine you will able to do the table, and you will be easily able to find out the M1 value, M2 value, M3 value, M4 value and the M5 value. 5 values are there. These are, you are easily able to find out. This is the M5 values. These are the blank you need to fill. Means whenever you are in Q0, then if you are getting X1, what to do? If you are getting C, what to do? If you are in Q3, if you are getting A, what to do? If you are in Q4, if you are getting X2, what to do? This is the thing. Try it. I am going to upload the video definitely. First of all, try by yourself. Just without checking, because of questions was like that. What will be the value of M1, M2, M3, M4? There was some problem in question also. Even also in the table also there is some problem, because the table is wrong. I am telling you the table is wrong. The Q2 table is, Q2 row is wrong here. So you need to draw a correct Turing machine. Try it. First of all, try it. I am telling you, try it. Draw the correct Turing machine, draw the correct table. After that, try to think is what will be this. You will be easily able to get it, and after that you can watch the next video. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you understand the Turing machine very clearly, and let me know in the comment section. Share this video to all of your friends, and bye bye for now.